Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA and you keep getting this social club error code 4, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on GTA easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu and you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here reg edit, click yes here, and here you're going to go into HK local machine and then software. Then you're going to scroll down and go into Microsoft, and here you're going to keep scrolling down until you find the folder called Windows here. Here it is, click onto it, and then you're going to go into current version, and then you're going to have this file here called program files dir. You're going to double click on it, and now you're going to put the location of your game here. So you're going to open up your explorer, go to your games directory. So I have the game here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this location, and then I'm going to paste this location in here and then click OK here. After you click OK, you're going to close this up. You're going to go ahead and restart your computer now. Once you're done with the computer restart, now you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here allow an app through Windows Firewall. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click change settings here, going to allow another app. You're going to go to your GTA's directory, and then just like the GTA 5 enhanced exe or GTA 5 exe, whichever one you have, click open here and then click add here. I already have it in my list, so I can't add it. But once you click add, now what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you click both private and public checkboxes on GTA 5. After you do that, click OK here, and now you can go ahead and try to play GTA, and you will see that your game will now work. You'll not face that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.